Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 80 of our Marchesi Vocal Method. Yes, you see me looking a little disheveled today because I just got finished exercising and I don't have a lot of time, but I'm still trying to get in my Marchesi exercises. So, no excuses. You don't need to look pretty. Just go for it every single day and you'll notice big changes in your voice. Today, we are doing our last group, of exercises on 8 notes with 124 and 125. I'm just tired of really thinking about these patterns. My brain feels like it's jumbled from all of these days of these weird patterns in my head. But I can already tell that it's getting easier and easier as I keep doing it. So let's dive right in and let's get ready.
Voice with Julia. Change your voice, change your life.
Exercise 124 is very interesting because we are decorating essentially the root note, whatever we're moving to. I'm not going to say tonic because our tonic is C in the case of this written out exercise example, but we're moving from like the dominant note, right, to then the fourth, and we're decorating it. So here you would start da 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 da, then da 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 da. Okay? So we're decorating the C and then the F. Then the next one we're decorating the D and the G. So it may look like it's going to the fifth. Da da. But I do want you to think about the structure of that fourth. Okay? So here's a fourth, here's a fourth, here's a fourth, right? Okay. Some of them are better fourths than others, but you can hear that, right? So you can use that to kind of anchor yourself. Now, for the case of, I think, going through this, because I've been sort of playing around, I think I will play the fifths. Da 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 da, because it can get a little tricky. But I don't want you to confuse that with what tone is being emphasized. Remember, it is that fourth. Da da. Okay? And here is exercise 124 with a lot of breaths. I could probably do that faster, but there's really no need. I really don't think so, because we're going to get exercises that are a lot faster coming up. I think it's more about accuracy and more about wrapping your brain around the pattern. And next exercise is 125. And 125 will feel a little bit more normal because we're jumping from here to the fourth and then back down, then to the fifth. Then coming fourth, then fifth, okay? So those are the patterns inherent in that exercise. And here is exercise 125, Alleluia. It's our last exercise of this section. It wasn't perfect, but we did it. Yes. Moving on.